Tine Maswati siyanemukela nonke Tine Maswati ngenfokozo neluthambo.
The year 1889 saw the establishment of Sitegi Hotel, which is probably the first hotel in the Kingdom of Swaziland, named after Sitegi. Sitegi ke mbukeli kuthiwa kwakungumlungu lo wafikela lapha edolobheni laseSitegi wase kuba ngumlungu oqala wekuthi athathe umfati ngelisiko lesiswati. Kungakho leli dolobha laseSitegi kuthiwa nguSitegi, named after Mr. Way. Bukela ehlelweni lakho lelithi buhle bethu, namhla sikulethela yona iSitegi Hotel. Sifuna ukubuketa umlandvo waleli Lil Hotela sibone kabanti ke ukuthi Sitegi Hotel sona sifika la sikhona khona namuhla sibuya kuphi. Asesikhumbude kancane nje ukuthi nakukhulunywa ngeSitegi Hotel kusuke kukhulunywa ngani.
I'm Zenda Motsa. I'm from Sitegi. I'm currently employed here as an operations manager. I oversee the daily running of the hotel, manage the staff, and just basically the whole operation of the hotel. I've been here since 2017, February. Sitegi Hotel is one of the oldest hotels in Swaziland. Shortly 1889, by white settlers that had come into the country. Shotsi lo white settler bekung Jukwe we lo waqala le hotel lethu shotsi bekaqala ku shotsi first white person kuteka umuntu weSwati kuteka kuthatha umuntu ngesentfu so wa leligama la lidolobha laqala kuyi lithi Sitegi shotsi ke la bese lahamba ke lagcina selisetshenziswa kunaleli hotel nalivulwa ukuthi Tawutheka ngeSitegi Hotel. But la basically renovated 2006. La vula by King Mswati. Currently, it's being owned by Mr. Moses Motsa. Since 2012, he's been owning the hotel. Mostly, we get people going to Mozambique. They are the ones that come here, and sometimes you get the locals as well. For in our bars, usually it's the local people that come, and as well as the restaurants. And then obviously the conferences as well that come here. Usually we have local artists coming to play. We have them and usually host them at the Africa Bar. Recently we had the comedy night by the well-known comedian Dura. He was here last, and as the year progresses, we'll have other artists, local artists to come by. And then we are looking to have one international artist coming by. DJ Mfund is usually responsible for our events, and then sometimes we have those events that we prepare for ourselves, such as the wine tasting, where you get to, people come to taste different wines. And then we also have, ladies' night, where people can enjoy cocktails and a few beverages, and then have those few DJs that come into play. I'd say Sitegi Hotel is different because it's the only hotel in the Lubombo region. It's also in a quiet place. I think that's an added advantage for people that just want to come and relax. It's also situated close to KM3 airport, and that's another advantage. And it's also situated, the border that's close to Mozambique. So for people who want to come and relax if they have a journey to Mozambique or anywhere, it's a perfect place. For the 50-50, we will have specials, food specials and accommodation specials that people can come and, enjoy themselves during this time. We also have, we're introducing new cocktails. We actually have a cocktail already that's inspired by this year. We have a cocktail called the 50-50, so I think people that are into cocktails can come and also enjoy those cocktails. In the next 40 years, for now we currently have 34 rooms, which ideally would have probably 50 at some point. Sitegi is it's not very populated. I think 50 rooms is okay for us. I think our future plans would be extending our rooms as well as extending our kitchen. So just that minor extension, obviously improving our service, and just changing our menu, just changing a few things to accommodate our clientele. Because of the 50-50 celebration that we'll be having, Sitegi Hotel will have specials running. We have a pizza special. We'll be introducing new pizzas that will be going for 120. They will have a free liter that you can get. And then we also have every Tuesday we have Inhlobo. So customers can come and enjoy Inhlobo for free. It's usually at the 5-4 bar from 5 p.m. If you've never been to Stege Hotel, I encourage you to come during this time. We'll be doing a lot of specials for this 50-50 celebration, and we'll also be doing wine specials in August, so you can come and enjoy wines if you're a wine lover. Stege Hotel has 34 rooms. We have 8 double rooms. We have 2 family rooms, and then we have 25 twin rooms. This is one of our twin rooms that we have. They have 2 3/4 beds. Usually they are used by people that come for conferences. In our rooms can either have a shower or a bathtub according to your preference. We also have a Bible that a customer can read. Now we will move to our double rooms that we have at the hotel. This is room 11 and 12. It's an interlanding. Interlanding means that it's a room and then there's another room on the other side which is separated by a passage. But if you wish to occupy just this room, you can pay for this unit only. But if you wish to occupy both areas, you can do it. You can do it, and it's usually for people that come in groups that wish to be in somewhat the same space. Okay, this is our family room. It has 2 areas, which is this area, the sitting area, and we also have 2 single beds for the children that come here. And then on the other side, we have the bathroom and a double room, a double bed for maybe the parents that sleep here. The family room is sometimes converted into a VIP executive suite for VIPs, bantu abakhulu emangweni, and your international celebrities that come stay here. Our rooms are fully air conditioned, and this room actually has a fridge as well. Sometimes we have a fruit basket and just a few treats and a gown if we have an executive person coming to stay here. Nemukelekile Maswati nonke ukuthi nide Stege Hotel into ichaza indebeleke kanye nabantu abafuna ukufisa conference abangete Stege Hotel. Special set samapizza siyaqala sinjujusa amapizza lamasha, so bantu abathanda amapizza kakhulu bamphane nabosisi bangete Stege Hotel batawuthola amapizza ethu. Ipizza yethu ke lensha ke ihamba nelitha yedrink longayithola. San encourage ukuthi nide nje nidichaze Stege Hotel.
Sanibonani malangela amahle. Igama lami nguSifiso Masuku, ngi-chef wala Stege Hotel. Namhlanje sinilungisele naku i-finger lunch lesiseva kola khaya for conferences, ma-party and special weddings. Njengoba nibona lana kune samosa yami, isamosa yami siyiseve for platters depending ukuthi for ma-groups langanani, as well as ama-sandwiches. Assorted sandwiches now siyawafaka ku-finger lunch or maybe for conferencing. And then we've got pizzas here. Lehamba nesamosa, but the pizza nayo siyiseva ku-menu and even for specials since it's introduced my menus lamasha. Pizza specials from April until further notice. So now ngilamanye ama-pizza leswenda kola khaya. This is one of the pizzas leswenda kola khaya. Then I've got barbecue wings with chips. Still now ngilokule combo yama platters leswaseva kola khaya, as well as sandwiches and fish finger with chips now swaseva kuma platters. So ngilokule ngupreparisha namhla for lunch, that is a finger lunch. And I think we're looking forward to our customers who's better about supporter, since we're still working on the new menu, and I think we'll try and introduce more things people are more welcome to join us at Sitegi Hotel. Siyabonga.
Gama lami Innocent Sabetse. I'm a barman for Sitegi Hotel. This is Africa Bar, shortly parallel to a sports bar, where we normally serve cocktails. Sinema wine, snapia. Usually kune cocktail yethu ke lemnanzi kakhulu labayithanda kakhulu eSitegi, which is the ladies ifaka i-vodka, i-gin ne Sprite. Bayithanda kakhulu ke bosisi. For the gentlemen, we have sex on the beach. Ikakhulu ke la lokubaqhaza kwabantu kuba ngileli gama. Sex on the beach, kuba i-vodka, acha snap and the orange juice. Kulamanye lesinawo kulaba labathaba abakhona ukunatha lokunatshwala emkhathini. Sine fruit cocktail. Sifaka ema-fruits ke lapho lesinawo for the day. Bese sesifaka i-orange juice, just the umbrella and the decoration.
Mina ngingilungile Sibanze, ngisebenza ka reservations, ngimine ngiletha ivakashi ukuthi titohlangana eSitegi Hotel. Tive mnanzi, titivele mnanzi kuhlala eSitegi Hotel ngoba Sitegi Hotel ngilona hotela lekuphela kwalo eLibonjeni. Lapha sise Sitegi Hotel, lapha ye-conference lapho khona sifaka abantu labasukela eShumini kuyawufika eNgulunganeni. Lapha sinema-customer ethu imvamisa ngama-customer leta ngemishado, laketa ngekuthi atokwenda emaphathi, laketa ngekuthi atokwenda lonke lihlobo lwemicimbi. SinguSitegi Hotel sine tivakashi letinengi tibuya kulo lonke lelive laKaNgwane liphindze futhi tibuye nase-Mozambique. Lokungilona dolobha leliseceleni olive leliseceleni kwaseSitegi Hotel. eSitegi Hotel sinetindlu letimbili letifaka tivakashi letita kutohlangana ngemihlangano leyehlukene. Sikhathi lesiningi siba nebantfu labaqhamuka kule community yaseLibonjeni nebantfu labaqhamuka ngaphandle kwaleli laKaNgwane. Tindlu tetfu-ke leyekucala ifaka abantu labasukela eShumini baye emashumini lamane nesihlanu. Bese leyesibili ifaka abantu labacala emashumini lasikhombisa yawufika eNgulunganeni. SinguSitegi Hotel siyajabula kokuthi sibe netivakashi letingitona tisiphakamisa. Siphakanyiswa kakhulu ngibona laba labethu abatohlangana benda imihlangano khona lapha eStegi. Lena ngilenye yaletinye letindlu letingitona sitisebenzisa ekubambeni imihlangano yetivakashi tethu letita eStegi Hotel. Lena ndzawo ngiyona lefaka abantu kusukela labalishumi nakubili kuyawufika emashumini lasithupha nesihlanu.
This is my special dish, seafood platter, with rice, coconut hot prawns, and some seasonal vegetables. So my rice, ngipeke using chicken stock, but the chicken stock, we just boil the pieces with a little bit of, with a little bit of onions, garlic, and some chicken pieces. Let it boil until you get that strong broth. After that, you strainer the broth. Then you fry a little bit of onions and garlic together until good brown. Then you add a little bit of wine, white wine, specifically because this is a seafood. So after that wine, you pour the rice yako. Then you let it simmer and boil it until it's a bit fluffy. Then that's how you cook my risotto rice. Then the coconut prawns, you just butterfly the prawns after that, but make sure you leave the tail because you just want to give that nice garnish at the end of the day. So, you marinate using garlic, a little bit of white wine, some fish spice, you dust with flour. After that, we forget tanzani from the egg, then you put it in my breadcrumbs, then finally we forget about deep fryer. So these are just my seasonal vegetables, the normal vegetables which is broccoli, cauliflower, and some carrots, and there's a bit of garnish. And the sauce yakona, it's tartar sauce. So tartar sauce, we just blend mixed pickles with a little bit of cream and mayonnaise just to get that tangy taste. Add a little bit of white wine, then that's how it's done. So this is a special dish that I've created for today's lunch. It's a seafood platter. Thank you very much.
Kuhle-ke kufunza kabanti ke mbukeli ngokuthi iStegi Hotel noma ngabe nje ke lehotela lelidzala kunawo onke amahotela lesinawo lapha eveni laKangwane laphinze lavulwa kabusha nguye phela inkosi yelive laKangwane inkosi Mswati III ngawomnyaka wa-2007. Lokuhle ngalena ndzawo ombukeli ukuthi nanoko inzala nje iphekwa entatini letithite onke lamalanga ingete tindzawo letinsha kanti ke futhi isenawo emaphupho nayo. Kanti ke mbukeli kukufisa kwami ukuthi nawe uvakashele kulena ndzawo utawutikhumbuta njengawo umlandvo weMaswati kancane uphinze uthole sona sithuba sekuthi ungcebeleke edolobheni laseStegi. Kanti ke ngisasho njalo mbukeli ngenhlanhla lembi lokungapheli kuyahlola nami ke sengehlangano libonza njengeliphela sengifike khona emaphethelweni elihlelo lakho lelithi buhle bethu. Kodwa ke angikuthembise ukuthi evikini lelitako ngihambisana nayiSwaziland Tourism Authority ngitabe nginayo la ehlelweni sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe ngaso sikhathi lesifanako nangelanga lelifanako ngitabe nginawe khona la sigega lona live laKangwane sitikhumbuta ngebuhle belive lethu. Kunginyalo mbukela ngufisela kona kubukela lokuhle nekutfokota lokuhle tinhlelo netilandzelako nisaleni kahle.